Hi students, and welcome to week 4 in your online general psychology course. This week we only have 2 chapters, and they are our last 2 chapters for the class. So I know you have worked very fast and effectively to get to this point, and you are almost done. So next week, week 5, is our final week, and that will be just your final exam. So let's take a look at this week, which are chapters 14 and chapter 15. Chapter 14 is over industrial and organizational psychology. You will have 2 Connect assignments, one over religion at work, the other one over industry and psychology, and then your chapter 14 post-test. And that's it for chapter 14. For chapter 15, this is over all of the recognized psychological disorders. So again, we can't go into detail or great depth on every single psychological disorder, but I hope this chapter gives you an overview, helps you see the major classification, and understand diagnostic criteria as it applies to psychological disorders. So for chapter 15, 2 Connect assignments, one over distinguishing abnormality and the other one over major depressive disorder, and then your chapter 15 post-test. There are no writing assignments for this week, 2 Connect assignments for chapter 14, 2 Connect assignments for chapter 15, and then your chapter quizzes, or otherwise known as post-test, for chapter 14 and 15. I also have some information down here at the bottom of the module on prepping for your final exam, which will be due next week. So next week, your final exam is due. Please note the date, Wednesday, July 5th. So I hate to do this to you because I know it's the day after 4th of July, if you celebrate 4th of July. But our semester is coming to an end, and that is where our final exam falls. So your final exam will cover chapters 8, 10, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Remember, your midterm covered the first 7 chapters, and we did skip a couple chapters 9 and 11 for the second unit, so they won't be on the final exam, just those chapters that since the midterm you have taken quizzes over. I hope this helps you prep for this week and start thinking about next week, which will only go till Wednesday when your final exam is due. Have a great week, everybody. Stay cool, and please physically cool because it's so hot outside, but stay cool also. And please reach out if you have any questions. Take care, everyone.